guys, so in today's video I'm just going to be talking about motivation, as you can see by the title of the video. And motivation is very important because that's one of the reasons why I haven't been on YouTube consistently, is because I haven't felt motivated. Without motivation, you won't get out of bed, you won't go to school or to job, or you won't do your work. So motivation is very key. And yeah, so basically if I'm looking here, it's because my laptop is here and my notes are there. Motivation definition. So motivation means the internal and external factors that stimulate desire and energy in people to be continually interested and committed to a job, role or subject, or to make an effort to attain a goal. So obviously motivation, everyone is working to a certain goal. So if you need to feel motivated to study because you know that you'll pass your exam, you'll graduate, you'll go on to the next level. So in order to go higher, in order to be successful. So self-discipline makes you get up and go to work. Don't even overthink when you're doing something. Don't think about how long it will take, because it will be all worth it in the end. You have to be organized, set a routine like how you do when you're going to school. So if you're planning to, like when you're going to the gym, it's all about consistency, setting yourself a routine, what meals to eat, meal prep. So all of that is organization and motivation, because you think of the end time goal and how everything will be worth it. So yeah, think about the reasons that you're doing it. Also set pictures around you of how you want your life to be. So let's say you want to be so for me, because I'm an entrepreneur and I want my company to be as big as let's say L'Oreal or something like that, I will set pictures around me. So I'll take a picture of money, L'Oreal, just things to motivate me to get to that goal. And like every time I wake up in the morning, I'll look at it, it'll motivate me to work harder and the reason why I'm doing it. So yeah, I think pictures, like visual images is really good to get you motivated. Music is really a key thing. Like sometimes when I don't want to clean up my room, for instance, I put music on, it'll make me feel good, and like while I'm cleaning I'll listen to music, the music will be playing, I'll just be jamming and stuff like that. So I think music is a very good thing to help you get motivated. Let's see, let me get another example. Like when I used to go to work, I used to wake up 5 o'clock in the morning, so and had to be there at 6, and sometimes all my days I'm just so tired, but I think about the reason I'm doing it is to have money, and then that money will be funded into my business. And I used to listen to music on the way to work, so that used to motivate me. And yeah, just to work hard, because everything will be worth it in the end. Whether it's gospel or R&B or hip hop, something that makes you feel motivated, whether it's a sermon playing at the background. So as I was saying, of visual images, a storyboard. So basically I'll show you what a storyboard looks like. So a storyboard is just everything that you want in your life to come to pass, and this is the best key thing to help you to get motivated. It's just amazing because, like I said again, I keep saying this, it just makes you want to work harder and to remember why you're doing these certain stuff towards your end time goal, because you know the goal that you want. It just motivates you to work so much harder. And so yeah, set yourself goals. So breaking your goals down smaller achievable tasks is easier for you to accomplish rather than big goals, because they make it seem hard to accomplish. So what I mean by that, so let's say let me give an example. Let's say your goal is to reach to school on time. So first of all, you need to wake up early. So that's a small goal. Then you need to brush your teeth, shower, change your clothes. So all of these are small goals. You need to put your shoes on, you need to put your jacket on, you need to put your coat on. So all of these are small goals to in order for you to get to school, you need to get your bus pass, you need to go on the bus, or you need to walk. So all of these are small goals to reach, to accomplish your final goal, which is to get into school. So you have to be stronger than your laziness, and that's something that I'm working on now. Like, I have to be stronger than my laziness. You have to have willpower, be consistent. Consistency is key, guys. Like, let me not even lie to you, consistency is key, and that's something that I've been struggling with, but I know, like, I'm getting better and better each day. Look, I'm on YouTube, I'm making a video, I'm finally filming, like, oh my god. Another key thing that for me, that like gets me motivated is when my work area or my bedroom or my living space is tidy. Because not gonna lie, like, when everything is messy, it just makes everything seem longer. So let's say I need to do my homework on the desk, but it's messy. I can't just do my homework straight away, I have to clean it. And for me, mentally, like, that's just long, like, oh, I have to clean my room. So that's something that you need to do to help you feel like refresh, is like to make sure that your workspace and living area is tidy, it's mess free. There's a time in everyone's life when you just don't feel motivated, like you feel lazy, you feel like everything is long, and that's been happening to me in the past few months. But sometimes I just have to think, like, where do you want to be at this age? You know, like, things don't fall from the sky, you don't get given things, you need to work hard. And like, especially for me, like, as a Christian, because God sees everything, he will bless you. Like, if he sees you working hard, if he sees you're committed, consistent, the blessings that he will shower down is amazing. At the end of the day, I'm just going to end it with this: the only person responsible for your own goals and your own life is you. Not your brother, not your sister, not your mama, not your dad, not your uncle, and your auntie. It's you. No, but seriously, guys, it's really you. Like, you're responsible for your own goals, your own life. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, just comment down in the description box, in the comment box, and I'll do more videos like this. And if you guys have any other ideas for what you want my videos to be like, then also put that in the comment box, and see you in my next video. Bye.